Scott from Scott Talk, shopping about bike here at the Publix. Got my bike here, and we found a recumbent bike down here. Let's go check it out. Some golf carts parked up there. But let's check it out. He's got stuff. Shouldn't left the key there. Lock. Mirrors. 2 tires in the front. 1 in the back. Got a bike light here. Headrest. Rigged a few things up here. That's cool. Milk crate like I used to have on my other bike before there. Got that rigged up to hold in place. Do what you gotta do. I'm kind of impressed. The box there, I wonder if it's electric. With a horn. Ooh, I like it. How you doing?
Hi.
I like the bike.
Thank you. I like it too.
I used to have the milk crate on mine. I got one over here. I got the panniers, and I made the mistake on that pannier. It has 2 zipper pockets. You know, 1 big one and 1 little one. But the problem is the little one is on the bottom. So when you try to shove stuff into the big one, the bottom one swells up and it gets in the way of shoving stuff in.
This is the pannier that I had on my bike.
Yeah.
That I threw on the
Oh,
bike.
it has the hook.
Yeah.
Yeah, for the rack. Yeah, I got mine zip stripped down so it won't go disappear. You know what I mean? Yeah. I kind of, let's add a few more zip strips to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. No one walks away with it.
It's a hard thing for me to, when I had it on the bike,
Yeah.
to get my leg over everything. I just getting lots of flexibility and everything.
Yeah.
But I mean, I still have the bike. I still ride it, but this is my primary one now.
Oops. But yeah, but I've got another one at home that was a step through where you can step over real quick. And the other one's like a mid-step. It has a slight angle to it. I was in the bike store trying out, do a second bike, and it had the bar across, right? And I was on the seat, and he's holding it, and he said, "You like it?" And I was like, "Yeah, it's all right." And I hopped off the seat and went, "Ow." I went, "Okay, what about that one over there with the bar going down like that?"
The seat on my bike is round. There's no tongue on it.
Oh, okay.
And it's so much more comfortable.
Yeah.
I mean, whatever that tongue's for, I don't know. It's useless. It doesn't do any good.
Yeah. The one that came with it is like what I've got. But the second bike had a little bit harder, with the slight opening in the middle for the prostate, I guess.
Yeah.
And you're like, yeah, this is better. The soft padded thing just kind of gets on my nerves occasionally.
Yeah, it's funny that as far as that goes, I really, I prefer having it, without anything hitting me there. And it's firm, that seat. It's not like real cushiony or anything.
Yeah, it's firm, but it's better. Plus you can stand up occasionally, and it doesn't bother me. I'm just like, I'll just stand up every once in a while. And
I mean, I've taken that bike, ridden it 30 miles or something.
Wow.
Yeah.
I don't go that far. I came to the store. I might go to Walmart. But I've gone to CVS that way, and that's as far as I've gone that way. Because I'm like, I don't want to get out and get too far away and then get tired.
Yeah.
Then I'll be like,
I'm mostly riding on the top of the world where I live.
Yeah, that's where I live. So it's close. This is close by. This is Walmart. Occasional Aldi's, Lowe's. Yeah. Well, even today I toyed with going to Walmart, and I was like, another day.
Well,
have a good one.
Thanks.
I see you got it all rigged up and got all the accessories on it. plus bonus. It's not a motorized thing, is it?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
This is a motor?
No, that's not. That's where the controller is. For the motor.
No.
Uh,
But it's still a motor?
yeah, it didn't start out like that way.
Oh, okay. So is the motor in here?
Yeah. And I converted the whole thing. I mean, it really, really helps as
Yeah.
far as going up hills go, or into the wind, or anything like that.
Yeah.
And I still got plenty of exercise because, I mean, what it does is assist the pedal.
Oh, yeah.
And you tell it what level of motor assist you want on it. I usually
Yeah.
write in 10 or 20%.
Yeah. The guy up here, he's like, when you can trade up? He wants me to get an electric. He's like, yeah, it's electric. And I'm like, maybe I'll get one and go to the mall one day. But then someone will steal my battery or something. You know, I'd be out there going.
Well, actually, the batteries lock onto the bike.
Yeah.
And you can also unlock the thing and pull it out and
Yeah.
take it with
Take
you.
it with you if you want. But I was like, I'm not walking around the mall with a battery.
I don't know. I've been
And then
riding.
they do have the bus service here on top of the world.
Yeah.
Have you ever rode that?
No.
It's interesting. They have it Monday through Thursday. It depends on where you live. You have to look at the schedule.
Yeah.
And I'm at Wayborn, and they have one that comes to the landing where the pool is, but you have to call in advance, day before. And I'm like, or I can go to Candler Hills, where the golf course club
Yeah.
is, and just sit there at the bus stop and wait, and they'll show up.
Yeah, I think that's the way it is where I am. I'm at Friendship.
But
the
they're
older section.
they're using you know, you've seen the mini buses that come by here,
Yeah.
little half buses. They had one of those, but it broke. So you know those little mini vans, they drive people around to show them
Yeah.
the neighborhoods. That's what you're getting now. So you've
really?
only got so many people you can get in the van every trip.
That's actually that's something recent because it was that I don't know a week or two ago I saw the thing.
Oh, did you see it?
Yeah.
The bigger one?
Yeah.
Good. They said they were getting a new one.
Oh,
I
I'm
said,
sure
really?
they
When
did.
are they? He goes, well, I don't know. And I was like,
Well, those things probably have to be ordered.
maybe
you
they
know,
had,
like,
maybe
pick
they
them
got
up
the
at dealer.
transmission fixed and it's up and running again.
Yeah.
I toyed with the idea of going to the mall today, and I woke up and I was like, eh.
Eventually, when they put that out of service, the grounds crew will use it.
Yeah.
That's
but
what they've done with
pretty
the
big.
older one.
Really? For
Yeah.
the big, that half bus?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'd load up, you can drive it around, load a lot of stuff up.
No, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, no, I mean the crew is in there,
Uh-huh.
and then all their stuff that they take, you know, whatever, that's on the truck,
Oh, okay.
along with the
Their other stuff.
yeah,
Yeah.
and the porta toilets and everything else that they carry.
Oh,
around
cool.
for 'em,
Yeah, that would work.
yeah.
But yeah, I'm waiting for it to get a new one. I was just like, oh. But it's interesting if you ride it, because a lot of people can't drive anymore.
Yeah.
And you're like, and literally he'll, one of the two drivers that are over there, they'll be like, hey, where do you want to drop off? Because, you know, you have to get the pickup place for the pickup. But every once in a while, they'll pick people up, and you're wondering, did they come to the pickup place? Or does someone have got, like one guy, he looks like he's like 80-something, 90. And he had his golf cart there at the front entrance where the little club is.
Yeah.
His golf cart was there, and they dropped him right in his golf cart, and other people, they dropped him off at their house on the way back. And I'm like, oh. And they just have to get out of the bus, and they're getting out of the bus, and you're like, and sometimes the driver will help carry the groceries from Lowe's or Publix or whatever they're doing, and carry it to the door for them. And I'm sitting there watching, like, oh. But one or two of them, you know, I went to the mall, one lady, she said, oh yeah, I'll walk to the mall, and go walk to the mall, walk around, and come back, because you're only there like an hour or 45 minutes or an hour and a half or something. Depends on when they're tell you to come back.
Yeah.
Come meet me right here. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm good. So she's getting on the bus kind of like, and I'm like this, waiting to catch her. I was like, damn, she ain't gonna make it on the bus. But yeah, so a lot of them have gotten to that point where they can't drive and do stuff a lot. But the bus service is good till Monday through Thursday, and they ride the bus everywhere. And then the second trip is to Publix, Walmart Marketplace, and probably Walmart down here.
Yeah.
So it doesn't go as far as the mall that far. A little bit further. They go a little further, and that's about it. And then they come back, and he makes his loop, and then says, "Okay, I'll pick you up at 11:45." Okay. And they pick me up at Candler like about 9:20, 9:30 in the morning. And I was worried, you know, with the little van. I was like, what if I get there and I'm like, so you don't have any more room, huh? Okay, I'll catch you another day. Yeah, that's what I figured. But if they got it running, that's good. That's all right.
Whatever. It was only a week or two ago. I saw the thing in our mailbox.
They said it was transmission, so maybe they've got it fixed by now.
Yeah.
But they're supposed to have ordered a new one, supposedly.
No, I did
some
be
point.
surprised. I mean, there was one before that one.
Yeah.
And,
Oh, I'm sure from years ago.
yeah, and that's what I said. That one ended up with the grounds crew
Yeah.
for a while.
Well, maybe the grounds crew is like waiting. They're like, yeah, fix the transmission. And go get them a new one.
They bought them a new van, but not like the ones, those minivans that they use for the sales.
Yeah.
The, you know, full-size van. I mean, they got one recently, like brand new, at 25 or 26.
Because at Wayborn, they have those houses, their little places around the cul-de-sac where people can go visit for a week. And they got like 4 or 5 of those little minivans there. And the guy had a Honda. It's a Honda van. And he's like, there are buttons to push to make it go into drive and stuff. And we have a Honda. So he's like, I'm trying to get used to it. Like, that's it. No, that's reverse. You know, you have to pull it on reverse, push it on the drive. I'm like, yeah, it's a little weird, but it is what it is.
Where they had them there, where you are, that World Tour house.
Yeah, World Tour.
The one before that where they had golf carts in the garage.
Yeah. Yeah, they have them in there. They have paddleball now, and golf carts, and 2 bikes to ride, so they can ride around and get spoiled a little bit. I'm like, oh, you've added paddle? I pick them, you know, paddles. And I'm like, oh, okay. So they can go up to the courts and play. Yeah, you can go up and play.
Oh yeah, they want you to do that. They want you to really get into being here.
They don't have as much here as at the villages, but hey, it's not the village. It's not crazy like the village.
Thank you. I can't stand that place.
Did you get the tour and go,
No.
It's all right.
Whatever. I've been down here for 13 years now. But at the villages, I mean, I've got my dermatologist there, and I hate going down there. I hate driving down there, and it just seems that people are rude.
Yeah.
And
we went, they showed us places near the interstate. I mean, I'm like looking at this neighborhood getting plowed under and built and all this construction, and they're showing us lots, and they're showing us this houses, the sample houses, and they took us out to where their lots are, and I'm like, what's that noise? And it sounds like, I'm looking at my Google Maps, and I'm like, there's an interstate near here somewhere, and I turned my head, and there it was. It was like, this big interstate.
oh yeah.
I'm like, what the hell? There's an interstate right here. And she goes, oh yeah, but you won't hear it when you're in your house. I'm like, I want to come outside and sit. I don't want to hear a semi truck going by. Are you crazy? And we just told her, forget it. And then we went to the place where they were building, the shops and all the nice places. And I said, oh, there's a hamburger place. Great. And you had to get in kind of a little line. There's one person in line ahead of us, one. So we get in the line, we order. It's about $20 for 2 burgers. And I was like, jeez, man. So we sit down for like 15 minutes waiting for these burgers, because they're like Fuddrucker burgers. They're custom. But still, it took a while. And we finally get the burgers and ate them. They're all right. And we went by the coffee place and checked it out. And I was like, it's kind of like Sid's. It was, it's got a lot of the Starbucks stuff.
Yeah.
It doesn't have everything. And my wife right away ordered something weird. And I was just like, they ain't gonna have that. And they look at her like, what?
Well, some of those places, they're the actual little towns.
Yeah.
And they have like bandstands. Some of them right on the.
Oh yeah, they had a nice band. I mean, they had people. Everyone had chairs. There was tons of people there, and they were having a good time. I was like, right,
everything like that, like
now,
whatever.
Now the farmers market here has a little bandstand, but they haven't had an act lately. So I don't know. And one
It's
person
usually like some of the Fridays and stuff like that.
yeah, they have them like Friday nights and things like that. But usually with the farmers market, they would have somebody on that little stage. And somebody told me that they get other bookings in the winter, for the holidays, so they get more money. So they don't come. They just play the speaker music. And I said, oh, okay. So eventually they'll be back. Yeah, they'll be back eventually. Somebody will be there singing a song on a guitar, going, So I was like, okay.
You're over there, Wayborn. What in the world were those circus tents doing there? What is
Clydesdale
that?
horses. You can go see the Clydesdales inside the tents.
Okay, because I
And
didn't
they're-
see anything. I tried to find out what it was.
You
and-
couldn't figure it out? My
No.
wife looked at it, she says, I said, yeah, we're not going, are we? Big money.
Nah, it looked like there was, some sort of mini circus they were having.
Yeah, it was some kind of show because they had you could see the horses from outside.
Yeah.
And they had built little places for the horses, and they'd been there several days.
Yeah, they've been there
entertaining.
since this
But
weekend, I think.
We didn't go. We were like, it's okay. We went to the World Equestrian Center. That was cool. That was interesting.
Yeah, and they have Clydesdales out there every once in a
Oh
while.
yeah, they have all sorts of stuff out there. The outdoor arena, you can just sit there and watch them do stuff.
That
We
place
saw that Christmas.
keeps on growing, that place, too.
Oh yeah, they got hotels going up. It's like Disney World there.
Yeah.
All right, I'll see you around.
Yeah, take care now. I gotta get my ice cream in the freezer.
Oh yeah, you got your cold stuff. You got the ice blocks in there.
Nah, that bag
Oh,
will keep it for
I do that. I got ice blocks.
Yeah.
I'll shove one of those inside the pannier and ice block it so it's even tougher to get something in. And then the bulge, I'm like,
So I don't stop here until I'm on my way home.
well, now if it's melting, then it gives you an excuse to eat it.
Yeah.
Let's see.
You do tell the people when you ride. Like, share, and subscribe.